guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lacey, and today is another day where we get the things going. And I'm with my baby here. He wants to say hi. It's a minute, guys. It's been a minute since he said hi. So let me show you guys so that he can say ongoja, so that he can say hi.
And me. Hi guys. I'm just Cinderella. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Welcome and welcome back. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Waambie wa subscribe, like and comment. Bye guys. I'm going to cook ugali, Kenyan meal, that is ugali and meat. Actually guys, for me, I see it's the simplest meal ya kupika ugali and nyama, because you'll just put nyama, you boil, then ugali, you cook it, and boom, it's finished. So let's go to the kitchen and then cook that meal. I'll show you how, guys, I normally prepare a quick meal, and comment down below niambie kama hiyo ndio inakuga quick meal yako ama ni gani. Mine it's either pilau ama ugali na nyama, those two, because sipendi ugali ya mayai that much, because I know mayai it's very fast, so I prefer baada ya mayai I'll do meat. So let's go and do it. Yeah, so guys, I have my sufuria here. I'll pour water. It's just for one person, and my meat is here. So wacha niwashe gas ndo niweze kupika.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good.
Guys, you see the view that I've walked to. Okay, it's amazing. Guys, hata hii camera haifanyi justice. The camera is not doing it justice, guys. It's really amazing. Gosh. See. Then the birds. Guys, I really love this type of life. Like unaamshwa na birds, alafu ukishaamka unaona ile view ya sunset. No, sunrise, come on. The sunrise, guys. It's the sunrise for me.
Let's take it.
Hey guys, so today is the next day, morning guys, and I've just woken up. I was doing nilikuwa nanika laundry, na ndio hizi hapa nilikuwa nazianika. Ndo niende nikashawe, niende nitayarishe mtoi, then we go to work and school. Yeah, so I was so impressed with the
what do you call the sunrise, and I was like, whoa, siwezi kosa kuonesha guys what I normally wake up to. Anyway, yeah, so guys, let's see you later when I am preparing. Kai jana niliwacha hanging because my phone went off na mi vlog na simu yangu. So sikuonesha the outcome of the cooking ugali and nyama, the simplest meal yenye mi huona ni easy kupika nikiwa nimelate ama nikiwa nimechelewa. Yeah, so guys, let's catch up later.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this.
So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you liked it, or comment anything that channel. And guys, the next video you'll see, here I want to buy something to plant. You remember the other video that I showed you that I have bought a plant, a gold plant. I haven't planted it because I haven't found a pot yet. So on this next video, you'll see how I get to plant my plant. So guys, bye. See you on the next one.